It's the sense of urgency that has got dozens of folks now on top of what was an apartment building, 4 stories high on the ground floor, according to neighbors. And they've been fueling this by bringing tanks of gas to this location to keep it going over the past 24 plus hours so that this operation hasn't had to stop. Silence, even the crowd around has been totally quiet in trying to allow them to listen for whatever sound beneath the rubble. We were told throughout the night they could hear some sounds, even yelling at times, according to one neighbor who was out here. Scenes of destruction and similar efforts of search and rescue, where they will go from one location to another with teams, canine units, to try to figure out lives. When it comes to this building behind me, one neighbor told me that over the course of the past day, they were able to pull out 7 people altogether. And they're just hoping at this point that the little girl, who they believe is still inside there, along with another older woman, that they can get them.
¡Corre, que está temblando! ¡Corre! Dios mío bendito. Padre Santo, Padre Santo. Padre Santo. Mira la calle, mira la calle. ¡Corre, que está temblando! ¡Corre! Dios mío bendito. Padre Santo, Padre Santo. Padre Santo. Mira la calle, mira la calle.